congratulations! You graduated with flying colors, and later may mga flying sampal kami sa iyo.
Ikaw naman, Miss Barbie, habang tumatagal, mas nakakatakot ka na daw ng nakakatakot. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Alam mo, Ver?
Yes, Ver.
Sobrang saya ko na nakita ka namin.
Mas masaya ako na nandito ka. Kasama mo pa si Miss Eugene, di ba?
Oo. At para sa aking fellow graduates, hindi pa ito ang huli. Ito pala ang umpisa. At sana marami kayong natutunan sa Kontrabida Academy!
Ayun na nga! Umpisahan na nga natin yan! Palakpakan natin ang ating mga bida, Barbie Corteza and Eugene Domingo! Welcome back to your rightful place. In front of the stage, in front of the cameras, and in front of all the beautiful people here. Pero pwede ko po bang imbitahan lahat ng icons natin on stage? Lahat po ng bumuo ng cast ng Kontrabida Academy. Samahan natin sila dito on stage. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito, Miss Eugene, Miss Barbie. Sobrang iconic ng Manila Pen na nandito kayo, diba? Sinama pa natin lahat ng mga iconic kontrabida natin. Sobrang iconic, madam.
Sila talaga ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng ganitong pelikula to honor our iconic kontrabidas.
At nandito na nga ang ating iconic kontrabidas. Hello po, madam. Good evening po. Parang ngayon lang ata ako natakot ng ganito. Hello. Ayan, mag-quick photo up po tayo with our kontrabidas. Everyone, raise your phones. Ngayon lang mangyayari itong gabing ito. Palakpakan natin ang Kontrabida Academy! Palakpakan natin once again, Kontrabida Academy! Maraming salamat po.
And thank you for being here with us tonight at the launch of Kontrabida Academy. Marami po nagtatanong kung autobiographical ba itong pelikula to. Hindi po ito tungkol sa aking college life or high school life. Pero lang po kung tatanungin niyo po ang mga taga-Unitel Straight Shooters, ang aming pong production company na gumawa ng pumalak pa kayo! I would like to thank them, okay, for their patience. Okay? Behind the scenes, I have the most creative production team who are just as kontrabida as I am. So they're brilliant, relentless, creative, at palasagot. Okay? I would like to thank the following people for the concept of Kontrabida Academy, Alpha Hamon and Randolph Longjas. For the grading, Bare Bones. For the audio post, Wonder Collab Studio. Post-production house, Engine Room. Pumalak pa kayo. Our makeup artist, Erica Cruz. Our wonderful costume designer. My God, pag nakita niyo po ang costume sa pelikula, J-Lo Conanan. Our location managers, Rona Navarro, Jackie Papica. Ang aming script continuity na lagi ko napupuruhan, Vince Carl David. Production assistants, Pet Tantoco, Hermie Obejas, you're here with us tonight. ito pa isa. Production manager. Sorry na, Diana Colon. Maraming salamat. My assistant directors. Yes, I have 3 assistant directors. Ganun po ako ka-low maintenance. Roy Calilong, Marinette Lusanta, Daphne Esplana. Our post-producers, Nola Estacio and Rachel Suficiencia. Our casting director, Dana Simbre. Our musical director, my God, Teresa Barroso, did a wonderful, wonderful job. Oh my God, my editor. Ito talaga yung palahin mo ka-brainstorm sa lahat-lahat. Ay, Federasyon, maraming salamat. Our production designer, Nika San Antonio. Ang ganda-ganda mo tonight, tumayo ka. Our director of photography, my God, Bel Cruz. Our associate producer, Gail Osorio. Ang aking mga line producers, lagi nagpapakalma sa akin, Noemi Pechi and Grace Kishas. And our producer, si Miss Madonna Tarayo. Siya po talaga ang nag-insist na gawin ko to ever since pre-pandemic pa lang. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nilapitan niya pag narinig niya kontrabida. So Madonna Tarayo, maraming salamat sa iyo. Of course, I have to thank the writer, which also happens to be me. Yes, I wrote it, I directed it, I survived it. So, palakpak naman dyan. Give me points for multitasking. Okay, sa cast naman, my God, hindi ba kayo na-amaze? Amazing cast. Okay, Miss Celia Rodriguez is here with us tonight. Ang daming kontrabida, tapos yung music pa kanila para magugulaw na yung mundo. I have to thank my 2 leading ladies, Miss Eugene Domingo. Miss Eugene Domingo, I cannot imagine my world, my life without you. I'm sure the world is thankful that you exist. Barbie Fortesa, my God, first time ko po siya makatrabaho, and I assure you, the art of film, television are in good hands with this girl, this woman. Maraming salamat, Barbie. And of course, our partners, Netflix. Grabe. Grabe kayo, hindi ka na-expect to. Maraming salamat, Netflix, mga sirs, Bene Mendoza, Luis Jongno, and Vito Lazatin. Seriously, maraming salamat po. Alam niyo po kasi, they believed in this project, in this story that's daring, different, and proudly Filipino. You gave us a chance to share it with the world. The world, my God, 273 countries, guys. 273 countries. And for that, sobra kong pasasalamat sa inyo. Alam niyo, wala na po na mas nakakatuwa pa para sa isang filmmaker na mapanood na maraming taong kanyang pelikula. Thank you for making this film global. Lastly, kontrabida doesn't mean evil. Sometimes, it just means you know your worth. You don't settle. You fight back. And sure, people will call you mataray, difficult, maarte, yes, lahat ako na yan. But I say thank you because it means I never played small, and neither should you. So tonight, let's celebrate every kontrabida who dares to stand tall, demand more, and make noise. Okay? Enjoy Kontrabida Academy, and if anyone asks, isa ka bang kontrabida? Just say, kung kinakailangan. Maraming salamat, everybody. Good night.
Maraming